Hello, junior scientists. Welcome back to Prisha the Explorer. Today, Prisha has some super fun and safe science experiments that you can try right at home. We'll be exploring 3 amazing experiments that are easy to do and teach you cool things about science. Are you ready? Let's get started. For Prisha's first experiment, we'll need a bowl of milk, a few drops of food coloring, and a tiny bit of dish soap. Place a few drops of different food coloring in the milk, and then add a drop of dish soap in the center. What do you see? The colors start swirling around like magic. This happens because the soap breaks the fat in the milk, making the colors move around. Isn't that amazing? Prisha loves showing you the power of chemistry in action. Next, let's try Prisha's balloon blow-up experiment. You'll need a balloon, a bottle, some vinegar, and baking soda. First, fill a bottle with a little bit of vinegar. Next, use a funnel to put some baking soda into the balloon. Now carefully place the balloon over the mouth of the bottle. What do you think will happen? Let's see. Wow, Prisha's balloon is growing bigger. When vinegar and baking soda mix, they create a gas called carbon dioxide. The gas fills up the balloon, making it expand. Science is full of exciting reactions, right? And now, for the grand finale, Prisha's going to create a mini volcano eruption. You'll need some baking soda, vinegar, and a little red food coloring to make it look like real lava. Start by putting some baking soda in the volcano model or a cup. Add a few drops of red food coloring, then pour in the vinegar. Get ready for an eruption. Boom! There it goes. Prisha's volcano is erupting. That's because of a chemical reaction between the baking soda and vinegar, which creates lots of fizzy bubbles. So cool! Thanks for joining Prisha the Explorer for these fun experiments. Science can be so exciting when you try it at home. Remember to always ask an adult for help when doing experiments, and most importantly, have fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun science videos. See you next time, junior scientists.